Hobo 40 functional travel backpack. Unlike the other bags where you can access bottom placed item from the top, but in this bag you get a front side zipper which helps you to easily access the bottom placed item. Every side of the bag is utilized. Net pocket to keep small items. This main compartment is of 40 liters of storage capacity. It has front organizer compartment where you can keep cables, books or first aids. Below the cap, it has net pocket to keep socks, perfumes or undergarments. Outer side of the cap, quick access pocket where you can keep chargers or earphones. Metro pocket where you can keep your metro cards, bus passes where you no need to take out your wallet. Laptop compartment which can hold up to 16-inch laptop. Outer pocket to keep wet or dirty clothes separately. This detachable pouch to keep mobile or coins. Jewelry organizer box. This multi-purpose designer jewelry holder storage box can be used for storing various small items like earrings, necklace, rings, ear clips, eyelashes, hairbands, nails kit, and much more. It is soft and comfortable to touch inside, which prevents jewelry from scratching. Portable mini travel bag it is. Stylish passport cover. Give your passport a unique look and make your travel more exciting by customizing a passport cover with your name and favorite charm. These passport covers is crafted from premium vegan leather. These covers has 4 card slots to keep your debit and credit cards. Choose from varieties of colors to make it truly yours. Packing cubes are very useful when it comes for packing your luggage bags. These cubes allows you to organize your clothes more efficiently and pack many items in a compact space. These packing cubes are lightweight. They don't add any weight to your luggages. You can use this in your wardrobes to store your clothes. Remember to buy the packing cubes which comes with different sizes, which helps you to organize it better. Whether you are traveling, at work, or just out for the day, a power bank is your best friend when it comes to be staying charged up. No need to worry about being stuck without a charger. Just plug in and you are good to go. There are a lot of different power banks out there, but this is my favorite one. It is super fast charging with dual port Type C and USB port.